In today's energy market, let's look at WTI crude futures as they're experiencing some volatility today in reaction to some of the volatility we're seeing in other parts of the market, but also we're seeing a reaction here where we did see some selling pressure early in the session in WTI crude futures, pushing them down basically to a one-week low. However, throughout the session, WTI crude futures were actually positive at one time today as well, so maintaining this upper level of the range, which it's been in this upward trending market here for the better part of May into June currently. And we're looking at the futures market right now at 120.52. So again, just a little change on the session, but off the lows of the session as we move through today's pricing action. And I think when you look at some of the driving factors, initially I think it was a reaction, the selling pressure was a reaction to some of the weakness in the equity markets. And we're seeing a reassessment of also interest rates across the globe. And I think that had a sentiment shift initially this morning, but then the markets also started to focus on other narratives, particularly supply. And I think that that's why we did see WTI recover throughout the session. And again, maintaining this upward level. And when you look at energy as a whole, we are seeing a little bit of moderation at these top levels, but natural gas, similar type of pattern today, although it was still down on the session. We are seeing natural gas giving up a little bit of ground here the last couple of days, but just off the recent highs when you look at it from a longer term perspective. And that market is still, again, just adjusting for the various themes. And we're going to get some more insight as we move through this week, as the markets are going to be focused on the inflation data. And also we're going to be focused on the inventory data when it comes to natural gas and WTI. And also some of the narratives as far as just the general demand for energy moving forward, particularly when you see the volatility that we're seeing play out in other parts of the market.